Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we would be understanding quality management and in that how to make a strategy to have the right quality management system in place. We would be understanding various topics like vision, mission, quality policy and also the objectives. First, we need to understand the vision. That means to say where we want to be in the future. Right now, if we are in 2018 and if we are planning for in 2025, we want to be the automotive components manufacturing leader. That can be one of the visions that we are having. Or it can be like right now we are a 200 crore company and in next 5 years, I want to increase that to 250 crore company. So that means to say a delta of 50 crore in next 5 years. So these are all the things, some specifics we can have under the vision. There has to be a strong reason for that particular thing. Means mission. Why we want to do that? What is the motivation for us to able to achieve that particular vision, whatever that we are anticipating? Quality policy is that kind of a thing. It contains various objectives from all the functions put together. It contains various goals, and if we achieve these particular goals, we can easily go towards the vision, and at some point of time we can easily achieve that particular vision also. So it's extremely important to have a quality policy where there can be a holistic particular objectives from the organization front where we are going towards. In objectives, we need to understand that it has to be SMART. SMART means to say it has to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and then time bound. Specific means to say we need to be very clear that where we are heading. That means to say if we are a 200 crore company and if our vision from the objective point of view is to achieve 250 crore, that means to say we are talking very specific terms. An increase of 50 crore in next 5 years means to say we are very clear with respect to the time also. Of course it can be measured. Every year if I increase by 10 crore, it can be easily achieved. Of course it is attainable, whether it is achievable or not in a realistic sense. And finally we need to understand whether it's relevant for the particular vision that we are going to have. So if it's not relevant objective, then it's going to be not making so much of sense to have this particular objective when we are having a vision like this. To conclude, we understood how to formalize a strategy, that means it's a vision, mission, quality policy, and also we talked about the SMART objectives. That's it in this video. Thank you so much.